Jesse here from Lake 9, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to submit a My Lake video using your new mobile app. It's so easy, even my parents can do it. Step 1, grab your mobile phone and download the mobile app. Step 2, find a long-haired hippie to fill for you.
Alright, Jesse, whenever you're ready.
Okay, the hippie's ready to go. It's time for me to shut my face off.
Father, did you miss me?
Now that I've thrown down my masterpiece, it's time to submit my video. My Lake app, video pic.